heat comes up, performance goes down, belt life goes down, clutch life goes down. All of that goes down with it. Today we got a little video discussing a topic. It's certainly going to be an opinion, but it's opinion based on facts. You just take this information I'm about to give you with a grain of salt and you be the judge. Before I get too far into it, this particular video is about 24 RZRs and 24 Xpeditions, mainly the Xpedition probably. We have a belt that's superior to the OEM in every way, so you want to check it out. We got a video explaining all those differences. Make sure you watch it. Okay, so I personally drive Rangers and Defenders more than anything. They got lower engine RPM, etc., than any of your sport type vehicles. And so when I get back in a RZR, it's like, what the heck is wrong with this thing? Well, really nothing. That's just the way they sound. And their RPM is sporty and it has to be that way. All right. However, a lot of the 24 Xpedition owners and some of the RZR owners are complaining of engine noise and RPM. And so some of the clutch people have decided to give them a kit that lowers engine RPM. I've read one that lowered it 2,000 RPM for cruising, etc. And like I said, mostly for Xpedition, it's got your top and your sides and all that, and those people aren't typically ripping around, and they hear it more than the RZR guys do. But nonetheless, the information is the same. So I was talking with Dalton about it. I said, what do you think about this? And we both agreed that you should never purposely clutch a vehicle badly to accomplish one thing for one condition. Now, he and I in the past have differed on slow driving, and it's kind of similar to this. And I had to take a hybrid approach to it. But what does that mean? Well, if you change shift RPM 2,000 RPM, you are really putting a weak primary spring. You are really putting a heavy primary weight in or whatever to drop that RPM. And it may be perfectly fine if, big capital letters, you only ease around and you only go slow. But guess what? Nobody does that. You go, I do that? Yes, do you? You never floor it. You never punch a gas to get up a hill. You never do any of that. Well, yeah, well, then you do that. And what the problem with that is the moment you decide to do any of that, that primary clutch closes so fast. It's like a 5-speed car going into 5th gear so quick. Blah, 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 and it's bogging. Heat comes up, performance goes down, belt life goes down, clutch life goes down. All of that goes down with it, okay? So, you literally cannot clutch a vehicle, a CVT, to do something slow and low RPM and then react in a manner that you can rip around. It's like I've been saying for years around here, you cannot rock crawl on Saturday with a clutch setup and go dooning on Sunday with the same setup. Today you need belt grip, tomorrow you need RPM for sand. And that is the same principle as today. If you want low RPM for cruising so you don't have to listen to it, well then you're going to lose all performance and cause these other problems. So we are not going to offer any high gas mileage cruising RPM kits because I'm going to repeat, we will not sell a clutch kit that gives bad performance on purpose for a single thing. It just doesn't work out. And then, of course, as you can imagine, the finger comes back pointing at you and they're having problems and so forth. And we're just not interested in that. Well, it's more important here to do things right than make a buck on a quick sale. Always been that way, always will be that way. So be warned, be advised, and lastly I'll say, this is opinion based on factual knowledge of how CVTs work for 20 years and along with, in my opinion, the best clutch kit maker there's ever walked the earth, Dale Toole, the owner of Dalton. We see eye to eye 99.9% of the time, and I trust him immensely. For what it's worth, you just take that advice or don't. And I will say, if you want to lower your RPM in either of these vehicles for this, there's a couple ways. One, Hunterworks belt lowers cruising RPM about 200 or 300. You can go, I never go over 2 inches over OEM tire size. Go up 2 inches. That'll change final gear ratio some. That'll drop it some. And lastly, in this new Dalton clutch kit, there's a rock crawler setup. And it would not hurt a thing. It would not be the best performance, but you could follow the rock crawler setup and it would be about as low of engine RPM as you could get this RZR to do and not cause any significant problems. Is that the best setup? Well, no. But it's not going to hurt you that much when you do decide to put it in. But we're also not dropping 2,000 RPM, 2 or 3, 400, whatever it may be, is not 2,000. So keep that in mind. Hunterworks belt, best on the planet. Today's just a freebie, free advice for a couple of vehicles with a potential issue and some, in our opinion, bad advice on how to fix it. All right, so got any questions? Todd at Hunterworks.com.